Olio di oliva,
or olive oil in English, is technically 3 words, but they appear together so often that we figured you'd let us off the hook. Olio is a masculine noun. To create the plural form, just get rid of the ending o, and you have
oli,
and consequentially,
oli di oliva. Olio di oliva.
olio is the word for oil, di is a preposition meaning of, and oliva is, you guessed it, olive. Because D appears before a word beginning with a vowel, it's also possible to abbreviate the preposition to D plus apostrophe and say,
Olio d'oliva.
because olio di oliva is the most popular kind of oil in Italy, it's often shortened to simply olio, and Italian people will still know exactly what kind of oil you're referring to.
Mi piace aggiungere un po' di olio piccante sulla pizza.
I like adding a bit of spicy olive oil to my pizza. Olio di oliva has long been a primary ingredient in Italian and Mediterranean cuisine. It can be used to season dishes and appetizers,
Condire piatti e antipasti,
as a dressing for salads,
come condimento per l'insalata,
for cooking,
per cucinare,
and for dipping bread.
pane e olio.
Extra virgin olive oil
Olio extravergine di oliva,
is the highest grade of virgin oil derived by cold mechanical extraction without the use of solvents or refining methods. It's judged to have a superior taste to virgin olive oil.
olio vergine di oliva. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.